People say that February is the month of love. So today, let's sign the terms or names that we call the people that we love. We will do this in both Korean Sign Language and American Sign Language. First is family. So this is the ASL sign for family. And I think I had signed this before. Family is important, so it's easy to remember. In KSL, family is kajuk. It's signed by a house, and then you would bump your Y finger. This so kajuk. So family kajuk. Next is father. So this is father in American Sign Language. The thumb is touching the forehead, and mother is the thumbs touching the chin. So in American Sign Language, the top part of the face is for males, and then the bottom part is for females. So father, mother. In Korean Sign Language, apa. So you touch your thumb, and then this. So this is the male sign in Korean Sign Language. So apa or abuji. And then for mother, it's the same, but this is the female sign for in Korean Sign Language. So oma, so mother or oma, and then apa or abuji, apa, and then oma or omoni. For brother, in American Sign Language, as I said, so this is the male sign. So you have two L's, and then you just tap it. Brother, sister, the same, but in the chin. So brother, sister. Um, in Korean language, they are gender specific. So it depends on who's calling. For example, a girl is calling the brother. So in Korean Sign Language, it's oppa. So to sign that, you have this as the female, and then this is the sign for the male. So oppa. So elder brother or oppa, elder sister oni. So that's the one calling is this one. So it's the female side. Now, if the one calling is a male or a boy, big brother. So we have the sign this one for um boy, and then hyong for big brother or hyong. Then nuna if it's an elder sister for a male calling an elder sister. So hyong, nuna. And then little brother and little sister. So in ASL, little brother, big brother. Same with little sister, and then big sister. In Korean Sign Language, little brother is namdong-seng. So little brother is namdong-seng in Korean Sign Language. So it's just this, and then you just lower it down. So namdong-seng. Yeodong-seng or little sister, yeodong-seng, is the same. This is the sign for female. So you just lower it down. Yeodong-seng. So namdong-seng, yeodong-seng. Friend. Friend in American Sign Language is two index fingers tap it twice. Friend. In Korean Sign Language, it's chingu. So it's easy. It's clap. So when you have friends, you always hold hands. So chingu. So friend, chingu. Then I know you've been waiting for this. Boyfriend. How do you sign boyfriend? in Korean Sign Language. So in ASL, boyfriend or girlfriend is just sweetheart or honey, whatever you call your loved one. In KSL, so boyfriend is namchingu or namchin for short. It's signed as namchin. So this is the friend, and then this is the sign for male, namja. So nam, this is namja, and then this is chingu. So namching, and then girlfriend or yoja chingu or yoching is, so yoja is this, and then friend, so yoching. I hope you enjoyed our video today because I did. See you in the next video.
Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.